Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make easy and fast dinner. Let's start. First step, in the mixer add onion with parsley, and after add to the beef. Mix it very well and go to another step. Now in the pan add olive oil, add the beef, mix it very well and leave it in the high heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 piece of tomato, mix it and add 2 big spoons of tomato sauce, mix it well and leave it in the medium heat for 5 minutes more. Now we add the salt, black pepper, curry powder, we mix it well, we cover and we leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. In this step, our food is cooking. We add 1 big spoon of butter, we mix it well for 1 minute. Like this, our food finished, it's ready for served. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.